How to redeem Discord Nitro gift card. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to redeem your Nitro gift card on Discord. Now to begin with, first thing first, you know the drill. Check your internet connection and then log in into your Discord account. Once logged in, it's going to take you to the interface that looks something like this. Here, click the U button or the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner. After that, click the gear icon from the top right hand side corner, and here you need to scroll down and head over to the section of billing settings. Under it, you'll be able to find Nitro gifting. As soon as you click on Nitro gifting, it's going to take you to the page where you can first of all need to claim the card or the code, and only then you'll be able to redeem it. So in my case, I don't happen to have any gift card or any code. Claim it first of all, and then you need to redeem it. So that's how simple it is to redeem a Nitro gift card or to redeem a Nitro gift card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.